In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you the top 5 ways to make money on Fiverr without skills. Hey, hello, my name is Yana Castillo and welcome to my channel. This channel is all about real ways to make money online. So if this is something that you're interested, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently and I don't want you guys to miss a video. As I mentioned before, I'm going to show you several ways in which you can actually earn money with Fiverr, and I'm also going to be sharing some tips. By the way, guys, this is not my favorite way to make money online. So if you want to know what's my number one recommendation to make money online, check the very first link in the description. Now, in order to make money with this, please make sure that you're going to be watching the entire video and at the beginning, choose just one way to make money with Fiverr. I know I'm going to be giving you several ways, but go with one. And then if you want to offer other services, go ahead and do so. The reason why I'm telling you this is because, yeah, you're going to have plenty of options, but I don't want you guys to be jumping from one way to the other, to the other, to the other. I want you to understand that there is a lot of potential here. And the only thing is that you need to stick to one. You need to be consistent. And although everything that I'm going to share with you right now, it's based on Fiverr. The truth is that you can actually use it to promote your services on other freelance apps like freelancer.com. Okay, you can also offer your services here. You can also offer your service on people per hour as well. There is also Upwork, Workana, and others. You can actually go to Google and you can ask, different freelancer marketplaces. Okay, but right now I'm gonna be focusing my video and my energy and everything on Fiverr because this is actually a website that I have been using for so long in order to hire, people to help me with different skills. And I know that there is a lot of potential here. And remember, I'm going to be sharing with you some tips so you can actually get the most of it. So now, which are the skills that you can start or which are actually the services that you can start without any skills right now? Okay, so the first one, you have the possibility to be a social media designer. Okay, you have the possibility to be a social media designer. If you make a quick research on Fiverr about people who are actually offering the service, you're gonna see, like, for example, we have this one. It's level 2. So that means that people are actually buying this service. $75 is the base one. And he is going to create 30 unique social media post designs for the whole month. Okay. This is a full month package. Here we have another one, level 2, which is he is going to design scroll stopping social media design. The starting price is $150. Here we have others for $20, starting for $55 and $150, and so on. The reason why I'm showing you this is for you to see that there are actually people who are looking to make the purchase. Let's make a quick review about this one. For example, we have this one that I show you that he is going to create 30 unique social media post designs for the whole month. Here you're going to see some designs, so you can have some idea as a customers how everything looks like. Okay, and you're going to see here the premium package is $195 right now. Fiverr, it's offering me a discount because I am using their services quite a lot. Okay, so that's why they're offering me this 50% discount, but the regular price is $195. We already reviewed the basic package, which is 30 unique and attractive post designs, JPEG and PNG. Okay, people, that means the customer is gonna provide the text and, the requirements and the deliverability. Okay, it's actually really important. It's 6 days. Okay. So that means that you are not going to be in a rush like, hey, I need to do this and I need to deliver it tomorrow. As you can see here, it has over 1,000 reviews. So people are actually looking for this. And he right now has 16 orders in queue. The standard plan, which is 60 unit design, the regular price is 140. And the premium plan is 195, which is 90 designs. Okay. How you can actually do this? Well, you can use Canva. Literally, you can go to canva.com and you can find several templates because that's the thing that he's doing. He's using a template, to deliver the service. One cool thing that I really like about Canva is the fact that you have everything that you need here. If you need an image, if you need an element, okay, you have everything here. You don't need to go to another website in order to find it. Another thing is that right now they do have a tool that is going to be helping you create your design using AI. So that's another really helpful tool that you can actually use. Literally, you describe what you have in mind and you can use Canva to do so. So this is the very first service. Okay. Now we're going to be talking about SEO blog articles. Okay. We're going to be talking about SEO blog articles. Again, if we do a quick research here on Canva, you're going to find people who are, charging. She says like she's charging an SEO article for your brand. The starting price is $45. She's a top rater. Okay. We also have this one. I will write an SEO article content for your website. $75. That's the starting plan. We have other people here that are also charging. We have this one, which is charging $5. I'm assuming that she just gets started because she just have 42 reviews. So she's trying to be competitive. We have this other person, $10, and so on. But I'm showing you because there is a lot of opportunities here for you guys. And if you speak another language, for example, we have this lady here, Natalie. She says that she will write an engaging Dutch SEO blog post or article. Okay. So her basic plan is $105. It's a 350 word article. So that means like it's not a lot. It's not really big, but because it's actually in another language. Okay. Um, she charged that. Okay. And she delivered it in 7 days. Okay. She delivered actually in 7 days. She also have the standard, which is 700 words. She delivered it in 10 days, 180. And she has also the premium one, 260. She delivered in 10 days. And this is just one article. Okay. This is just one article. So it's not a package. Okay. So you can have packages if you want as well. Which tools you can use to create this? I'm going to be leaving a link below to SEO Writing AI. This is a tool that I already shared with you guys in other videos. You can click here where it says one-click blog post, okay? And you can generate the content. People are going to give you their main keywords. So you're going to type here the main keyword. The tool is going to generate the title. You can use it to write in different languages, as you can see here. You can ask them like how long the article is going to be. You see here the article size, the article type, the tone of voice. You can ask them, and here you can have the AI model. If you want, you can ask your customer like, hey, are you targeting a specific country? Do you want to include images? Do you want to include videos? And you can do everything here. And you can also ask them like, do you want me to, create the materials that you're going to use on different social networks? And you can also charge extra for that because that's an extra service. So this is actually a tool that I show in other videos. It's a really great tool. And their thing is just to create SEO writing, SEO articles. Okay. So another way in which you can actually do this is by creating short form content. Okay, you can be a video editor. By the way, guys, if you're enjoying this content so far, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell. And remember, if you want to know what's my number one recommendation to make money online, check the very first link in the description. So how can I be a video editor again? Okay, that's not a skills that I have. Okay, there are tools out there that are going to help you. You can see here, if you make a quick search about short form content editors, okay, people are charging $40, $250, $35, $75. And again, we have here, he is a Dutch video editor. So this is a specific in another language, in other than English, okay? So you can see here that people are really offering this. And if you see people who are top rated, it's because this is definitely a service that is on demand. Okay. So which tool you can use to create this short form content video? You can go with VSUP. So VSUP.io. It's actually a tool that is going to be creating you. It's going to help you create faceless videos in seconds with AI. Okay, you can see how they actually look. They're really easy and really simple for you guys to use it and to create it. Okay, and customize it. So this is definitely a tool that I recommend if you're looking to provide this service. Okay, so now I'm going to be talking about being an ebook writer or being someone who is going to be writing guides. Okay, it's actually, you know, a service that you can use. You can be like, hey, no, I'm going to be writing guides, or no, I'm going to be writing ebooks. Okay, a free guide, it's definitely shorter than ebooks. Okay, so you can see here, for example, we have this person, she's creating an ebook, KDP from $50. We have this one. She's a ghostwriter. She must be really professional. The starting plan, it's actually over $1,000. We have this other top rated over $500. Okay, so this is definitely something that is on demand, and people are willing to pay good money if you're actually really good on it. Which tool you can use to write it or help you write it? Definitely ChatGPT, DeepSeek. You can also uh, combine these two tools in order to be someone who is going to be writing an article. Okay, so not an article, but an ebook. Okay, so really, really, really good options for you guys that are looking to have offering these services. Okay, you can be a specialized. For example, this one, she writes everything about travel guides. That's the reason why she's charging more, because she is specialized on that. Okay, so if there is something that you really like, remember, you can post different gigs here on Fiverr. Like maybe it's going to be one, it's going to be about health. Maybe another one's going to be about travel guide. Maybe another one, it's going to be about parenting. Okay. And you're going to have more opportunities. It's the same service, but since it's actually specialized, people are willing to pay more. Okay. So take that into consideration. Now, let's talk about the website builder service that you can offer. Here, if we go on Fiverr as well, you can see that people are offering the service. Here we have $80, 320, 85, 145, $700, and so on. So people are definitely looking to, you know, build their websites, build their funnels. That's another service that you can use. And if you are by no means an expert, you can actually use System.io to provide your service. Okay, I'm going to be actually leaving a link below so you can open a free account if you want to give it a try how it exactly works. Really cool thing that I like about System.io is the fact that you're going to have tons of templates for your funnels, for your websites. And this is a service that you can actually provide. Okay, so people are actually here in demand. You can also create blogs with System.io, and you can offer them for an extra charge, like, hey, I'm not only going to build your website, but I also can build your blog. Also, I can set up your email marketing campaigns. Okay. And those are going to be some add-ons that you can actually use and you can actually offer. So this is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoying this content. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to your channel, hit the notification bell, share this video with someone who you think he or she might be looking for this information. And I see you guys on the next video.